Hey everybody, John VanZyck here, VZ Grips. We're here in Dallas at the 2024 NRA show, and I just want to showcase a few things that we have in the booth and some of our industry partners and friends. First off, Chisel Machining makes this amazing foldable stock for the 870, which allows you to utilize one of our AR grips to attach it to. VanZyck Systems actually did the barrel and the receiver, and you can't get anything better than VanZyck Systems, so shout out to them. Hollow Sun Optics, pretty amazing. Everybody knows who Hollow Sun is. But if you get a chance, get down to the 2024 NRA show in Dallas, booth 8008, and register to win one of these Chisel folding stocks. Get on down here.